Welcome back to Crypto Lion. Can Dogecoin hit $10 soon? Well, let's find out. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit that like button. The fact that Dogecoin was launched in 2013 and is still around in 2020 shouldn't be sneezed at. That's a long time in the world of cryptocurrencies, and helps Doge achieve legitimacy and credibility that other coins don't have. It is one of the top 20 cryptocurrencies by market capitalization. Dogecoin is one of the trending cryptocurrencies, and it's grabbing a critical spot in the crypto space. But recently it's been going through turmoil as there's a lack of Doge Ethereum, which is a bridge between Dogecoin and Ether chains, a project which has a lot of potential to grow. Dogecoin aims to become the default crypto for merchant payments, which will eventually lead to greater gains. After the live demo of Doge Ethereum, the adoption rate of Doge has increased. As soon as Angela White tweeted that she's holding her Doge since 2014 at the very start of the new year, we've seen the coin more than double. The spike is very similar to when Elon Musk tweeted about it. Currently, Doge is trading at about 7.3 cents, with its price 0.44% up. The market cap of Dogecoin is almost $9.5 billion, with over 128 billion Doge circulating currently. The 24-hour price movement chart indicates that $6 billion worth of Doge were trading. The Dogecoin price has effectively been flatlining since the meme-based cryptocurrency was created in 2013, with the price briefly spiking along with the wider cryptocurrency market at various intervals over the years. All that changed in late January, however, when retail traders frustrated by the GameStop restrictions switched to cryptocurrencies. And Dogecoin is leading the pack, pushed on by attention from billionaires, rock stars, YouTubers, and millions of others hoping to get rich quick. Dogecoin's rise, up more than 600% since January 28th, has been fueled by celebrities and social media stars encouraging their fans to pump the price. But Elon Musk, the billionaire chief executive of electric car maker Tesla and Dogecoin's best-known supporter, is only in it for the memes. Occasionally I make jokes about Dogecoin, but they are really meant to be jokes, Musk said last week, speaking via the invite-only chat app Clubhouse. Musk's legions of fans, including over 45 million of them on Twitter, didn't think it was all a joke, though. And it's not. Really, all the Dogecoin tokens combined are now worth around $10 billion, climbing past the milestone and into the cryptocurrency top 10 over the weekend. Hopefully he'll talk about Doge, one YouTube live streamer told the 10,000 people watching him livestream Musk's Clubhouse room because they couldn't listen via the app itself. Musk has been a fan of Dogecoin for years, regularly joking about the cryptocurrency via Twitter and often inadvertently sending it and Bitcoin soaring. Since Musk, who's admitted he needs to be careful about off-the-cuff cryptocurrency remarks due to his outsized influence over the market, helped make Dogecoin mainstream, others have gotten involved. Kiss frontman and rock star Gene Simmons, who's previously praised Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies, went on a Dogecoin meme spree last week. God of Dogecoin, Simmons tweeted alongside an image of himself. Fans quickly photoshopped Dogecoin's Shiba Inu over his face. Simmons tweeted that too. Rap mogul Snoop Dogg was next, tweeting a similar photoshopped image with the word Snoop Doge. Finally, Musk brought them all together. Elsewhere, billionaire technology investor Mark Cuban, known for his Bitcoin and cryptocurrency skepticism, has helped pump the price. If I had to choose between buying a lottery ticket and Dogecoin, I would buy Dogecoin, Cuban said via Twitter last week. But please don't ask me to choose between it and anything else. Dogecoin literally, and I say this with all seriousness, it's the best entertainment bang for your buck available, he said via email, adding he bought a few dollars worth for his son to help him learn about price movements and why they occur. You can buy $1 worth or $10 worth and have fun watching it all day, every day. Cuban doesn't advocate trying to win big on Dogecoin, however. It doesn't have any intrinsic value, but so what? It gives you a better chance of winning than a lottery ticket, all while teaching the economics of supply and demand and introducing people to crypto assets, he said. Alongside the billionaires and celebrities, YouTubers and social media influencers have done their bit to pump the Dogecoin price too. Ben Phillips, a YouTube prankster with 1 billion views and 600,000 Twitter followers, bought Dogecoin in December via the US Bitcoin and cryptocurrency exchange Kraken. Phillips, who has changed his Twitter bio to Doge but admits he's not especially knowledgeable about Bitcoin and cryptocurrency technology, bounces from bullish to cautious when talking about Dogecoin's price prospects. I'm not a financial advisor, I wouldn't advise buying Dogecoin, but buy Dogecoin, Phillips says, speaking over the phone. Phillips wants to both encourage people into the market, which he describes as endless, and is keen to warn them of the risks. There is a risk that people will lose their money. Buy and then sell it to pay your bills. Don't use your salary. Go buy lottery tickets if you want to gamble. Let's face it, it could just disappear. Talk of cashing out if some kind of endgame is equally mixed, highlighting how little all this has to do with money for the influencers. 10 cents is the target, Phillips says. Dogecoin broke 8 cents for the first time ever recently before falling back slightly. If it gets to 10 cents, I'll double down though. I'm positive it will go to $1. There's enough influencers involved now, he said. While social media influencers cheer their Dogecoin inflated engagement metrics, many in the Bitcoin and cryptocurrency industry who have long fought to be taken seriously appear increasingly embarrassed by the Dogecoin memes and its price performance. Instead of looking into the idea and vision behind Bitcoin by reading the white paper of Satoshi Nakamoto, for example, these retail investors joined the crypto riot for pure short-term speculation, Mark Berniger, a board member at digital asset manager and broker Crypto Finance, says via email, calling the recent buzz a clear indication that we moved into an overheated retail trading bubble. This frenzy has also engulfed the stock market, however, with a long-running battle between bullish retail traders organized via Reddit's Wall Street Bets forum and Wall Street hedge funds that have long been shorting GameStop shares, reaching fever pitch late last month. Regulators and brokerages stepped in to calm frantic markets with heavy-handed restrictions, kicking off the Dogecoin rally. Similar to the initial coin offering bubble back in 2017, most retail investors joining the actual Dogecoin hype don't understand the difference to Bitcoin and its long-term potential as a real game changer, which is sad, says Berniger. I'm completely fine with retail investors speculating on fancy coins as long as nobody complains after losing money afterwards. This chart shows that over the longer term, the forecast puts the price at an average of 15 cents in 2025 and 23 cents in 2028 as it continues rising. With the market being volatile, predicting the cryptocurrency price is really one of the most difficult tasks. Let's consider Dogecoin predictions from distinct sources, according to CoinSwitch News, which will give us a fairer idea. Zakaria M., one of the eminent Steemit bloggers, claims that a single Dogecoin would be worth $1 in 5 years' time frame. They further added that with all other fiat currencies moving in and out of Doge, $1 or even $10 a Doge is reasonable in 5 years. The website walletinvestor.com offers forecasts for just about every altcoin on the market, where it claims that in 1 year, Dogecoin will cost 37 cents. They also claim that the token could be worth as much as 86 cents in 5 years' time. CoinSwitch's verdict on Dogecoin is that in the coming month or two, Dogecoin is likely to move up by more than half a cent. Dogecoin has already been adopted as a means of payment for goods and services by merchants such as eGifter, allgamer.net, and dozens of other online stores. There are even speculations of Doge getting closer to currencies like IOTA and Tron. It jumped upwards from being in the top 25 within a less span of time. Even the traders are quite optimistic about this token. Later in 2021, Dogecoin might hover around the 20 cents mark, where the maximum expected price might be 28 cents and the minimum expected price will be 21 cents. It could reach 30 cents by the end of this year, as this is the year of cryptocurrencies. Dogecoin is likely to pick up as people are realizing its worth and they're getting over the fact of it being a mere crypto joke. In a 5-year time frame, Dogecoin is likely to reach the 40 cents mark. It might reach half a dollar also if it doesn't come across any turbulence. Dogecoin price prediction suggests that the Dogecoin price is up for a long-term gain in the Doge price value with a 5-year investment. This means that in 2025, the Dogecoin price is forecasted to stand at around 44 cents. The lowest price in 2025 might be 28 cents and the highest expected price might be 45 cents. As per the Dogecoin price chart and the Dogecoin price analysis, Dogecoin has greater capability and might outperform other peer cryptocurrencies by 2030. It might even go up the ranking ladder and go ahead with major integrations and partnerships. This might increase the user adoption rate. By 2030, Dogecoin might reach 20 cents. 2040 is a long way to go. By then, Dogecoin might shape itself to be one of the top 5 cryptocurrencies, given its progress is stable. Their community might turn out to be one of the best amongst its competitors. There's a probability that Doge might integrate with profitable organizations, which might increase the valuation incredibly. By 2040, Dogecoin might reach $2. Cryptocurrency markets are prone to rapid, sharp price changes, so if you decide to open a position in Dogecoin, you should be prepared for the high volatility in the price, even if the long-term outlook is bullish. We hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, click that notification bell. Would you like to know more about Dogecoin? Let us know in the comments below. Good luck and happy investing.